Okay, this is exactly why I love cooking.
And if you're cooking every day, what you cook it in matters too.
So today I'm making this creamy spinach and corn bake, and I'm using Cumin Co for this entire process. Let's start with the prep. And for that I'll use my Cumin Co quill knife to chop some veggies. Seriously, we are always so careful about choosing our ingredients, but the tools we use to prepare them matters too. And just like that, we are ready to cook. Let's get the pan going. Some butter, onion, garlic and corn. और इसको तब तक पकाएंगे till everything goes nice and fragrant. और ये पैन सच में डेली कुकिंग के लिए बना है because it's durable, toxin and heavy metal free. And now it's time to add in some good stuff. थोड़ी क्रीम, थोड़ा दूध और थोड़ी सी चीज. Give everything a good stir and let it all come together. Once it's all creamy and bubbling, it goes straight into the Cumin Co ceramic baking tray. And of course, we are adding plenty of cheese. After that, it goes directly into the oven till it's golden, bubbly and beautifully melted. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Golden, cheesy and honestly can't get any better.
And honestly, if you're cooking every day, then choosing a cookware which is well made, durable and designed for everyday use just makes sense.